We want to fundamentally change high precision manufacturing. We want to make it greener. We want to make it faster. We want to increase repeatability. We just want to be innovators.
The way that I think of it is we manage the microns where it matters most. At the core of it, we design and build laser machines. Where we differ is we offer a kind of end-to-end solution.
We want to help people improve their manufacturing and increase their bottom line, not just here's a machine, go away, use it. We want to integrate it into their line.
Everything we do is down to the micron level. So for making circuit boards, they cut holes which solder paste goes through. And if that hole is out of position by the width of a human hair, then the process falls apart. iPhones don't get made, smartwatches don't get made. That doesn't work without high precision manufacturing.
We wouldn't be able to do what we need to do without Atom. All of our inspection systems are measuring at single-digit microns, so to get that resolution from Renishaw is really pivotal.
With the Renishaw encoders, we're able to actually measure and correct for the backlash in real time. It means our laser path is incredibly smooth and precise, which enables us to have the best products. And that is something that we would not be able to do without the encoders.
The main reason we use Atom is the ease of installation. We can install the Atom really quickly, gives us more throughput for our machines.
We use the ADT Pro as well, which is critical for ensuring that the setup's done correctly. It lets you know straight away if you have any issues with the alignment or the installation, which increases the speed that we can install. We've seen a 30% increase in throughput as a result of using the ADT Pro and the streamlined processes that Renishaw provides. Our customers are super happy with this as we're able to deliver much quicker.
We trust Renishaw wholeheartedly.
We share similar values within innovation and being leaders within our sectors. And the fact that we can pick up the phone and get in contact with the support team from Renishaw and get answers really quickly is really important to us.
And I genuinely believe that because of that, they will change high precision manufacturing for the better.